Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport in Alfa Rosso. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, blind spot and crosspath detection, dark badging, dark exhaust tips, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, 40-20-40 rear seating with ski pass-through, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6275.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.